Okay, for this question, question 10. Deuterium is an isotope of hydrogen. Deuterium reacts with this chlorine atom to form compound R. So I've written down the equation for this reaction. 嗱，我咪寫咗佢依句説話呢嗰個反應出嚟啦。一個 deuterium 嘅 atom 啊 H12，咁佢就話係 hydrogen 嘅 isotope 嚟嘅，咁佢就同呢個 Cl1735 反應啦 to form R. And then next, so what's the mass number of deuterium？ 即係呢一個 atom 嘅 mass number 幾多啊？就咁睇上面就係啦。So the top is 2. So the answer is 2. And then B part, compound S formed from the reaction of this atom with another isotope called protium H11. The compound R and S have the same chemical properties. Explain your answer. 咁我亦都將呢一個反應呢，佢寫咗喺第二條 equation 嗰度啦。有一隻叫做 hydrogen 嘅 isotope 叫做 protium H11，佢就同 chlorine 35去 react 變咗 compound S 嘅。咁所以有兩隻唔同嘅 compound。但佢就問啦，請問佢哋係咪有 same chemical properties 呢？同埋 explain。咁首先呢，我哋就要揾個位置啦。咁應該呢，就譬如我會寫喺下邊啦，好嘛？Okay, so will they, question 10b, do they have the same chemical properties? The answer is yes. Why is that? Because the isotopes of an element have the same chemical properties。 嗱，因為咧本身佢哋係 isotope 啦，所以佢哋嘅 chemical properties 咧根本就係一樣嘅。咁所以佢嘅 compound 同其他嘢 react 完嘅 compound 咧係會有 similar chemical properties 嘅。所以我話 same chemical properties 㗎啦。OK, C part. Tritium is another isotope of hydrogen。 哇，仲有一隻 isotope 喎，已經有 H12 啦、H11 啦，依家仲有隻 tritium 添。It's another isotope of hydrogen having 2 neutrons and 1 protons. Write the full atomic symbol 啦。咁嗱，佢都係 hydrogen 啦，所以一定 H 啦。咁但係佢講咗啦，佢有1個 protons， 2個 neutrons， 所以下邊係1。上邊就唔好寫2喎，上邊係應該 protons 加 neutrons 喎，所以係3。咁呢個呢就係 tritium 啦。OK， 咁所以係有 H11、H12 同埋 H13嘅。hydrogen 係3個有超過2個 isotope 㗎。OK， 佢係有幾個 isotope 嘅。好啦 ，next， why does deuterium have isotope relationship with protium？ 咁 deuterium 係 H12 啦 ，protium 係 H11 啦。咁問你點解佢哋有 isotope relationship？It's pretty simple。咁即係其實好少少問翻你點解佢係 isotope 咁啦，就係、they have the same number. They have the same number of protons， 係嘛？ Because they actually the same element, but different number of neutrons. Okay, right. So that's D part. Question 11. A sample of argon contains 3 atoms: argon 1836, 1838, 1840. What is the term used for describing the relationship between these atoms？ 咁啊，好明顯啦，係咪？11A. They are called isotopes. isotopes. Okay, next. B part. How many protons are there in an atom of argon? Argon, number of protons should basically look at their atomic number, which is 18. Okay, so B, 18. Part C. Explain why these atoms have different mass number。即係話上邊嗰個 mass number 36、38、40點解會唔同㗎？佢哋有 same number of protons 咯，but why why different mass number？ 咁因為上面個 mass number 係 protons plus neutrons 啊嘛，所以我哋就答啦。These atoms have different number of neutrons。咁所以佢哋有 different mass 啦。OK， 因為 proton 同 neutron 先係有 relative large mass 嘅。OK, lastly, argon has a relative atomic mass of 40. Deduce the most abundant type of atom in the sample. 嗱，咁我哋知道咧有3隻 atom 係咪 ？AR 1836、1838同埋1840。邊一個係 most abundant type 咧？即係最多嘅咧，擁有 percentage。咁但係佢個 tips 係 relative atomic mass 係40。咁即係話36乘某一個 percentage 加38乘某個 percentage 加40乘某個 percentage 就等於40啦。哇！咁但係個 relative atomic mass 係40，根本就係依一個 atom， 根本就係依一個 atom 嘅 mass number 嚟嘅喎。咁所以我哋可以講一定最多係依一隻 atom 啦。咁但係我哋點樣形容呢？呢度咧大家要俾啲耐性去寫咯噃 ，be patient。D， 首先我哋要講少少背景，我哋要講翻 the relative atomic mass of argon is 定義上啊 is the weighted average of the relative isotopic mass 係啲 isotopic mass 嘅平均數嚟嘅 masses of all of its naturally occurring兩個 R occurring isotopes on the carbon 12等於12.00嘅 scale。佢哋根據依個carbon 12就等於12依個參照比例咧，去計或者相對地去描述其他嘅 mass 嘅。咁有依個背景之後咧，我哋就可以話啦 ，as the relative atomic mass of argon is almost equal to the relative isotopic mass of argon 1840。所以 so the most abundant type of atoms is 呢個啦。好，咁我呢度咧用少少中文解釋一次啦。嗱，咁問佢最多係邊一隻 atom 咧？邊個係 most abundant type 咧？咁因為佢太近40啦，其實可能係39.9幾咁樣。 咁但係佢太近40啦，基本上3隻嚟講呢，應該最多一定係 AR1840啦。咁所以我哋用翻個本來 original 嗰個 scale 去諗，就係背景 the relative atomic mass of argon 係本身嗰個 rated average of relative atomic mass of all naturally occurring isotopes on 呢個 scale 嘅，即係話我哋係攞緊碳12等於12呢個準則去擺落去套用嘅。咁所以套落去嘅時候，我哋會發現所有自然咁出現嘅嗰啲 isotope 咧，佢嗰個 relative isotopic mass 咧，嗰個 average 咧就會等於 relative atomic mass 啦。咁所以因為咁嘅緣故，所以頭先我哋話啦 ，argon 1840，如果呢個 relative atomic mass 係基本上等於 relative isotopic mass of 呢個咧，咁我哋就知道最多一定係呢個啦。嗱，咁呢個咧係比較深少少嘅，咁所以如果同學仔你就真係再唔明又想了解嘅話咧，可以去揾翻我。OK。Question 12， 我哋見到 atomic number of F and relative atomic mass of F and S, fluorine and sulfur, right? State the electronic arrangement of fluorine atom. Should be pretty easy. 9，所以 2, 7. Okay. Secondly, B part. All sulfur atoms have the same atomic number, but some sulfur atoms have different mass number. Explain briefly. 點解會 same number of protons atomic number 咧？但係嗰個 mass number 就唔同咧？咁呢個其實都好淺嘅，理論上理解性上係好淺嘅。Because 簡單啲答就係 sulfur has more than 分開啲 has more than one isotope. OK， 或者可以話你選擇啦，另一個都好理想嘅答案 ，or some sulfur atoms have the same number of protons嗱，呢個 definition 已經講過好多次㗎啦 ，but different number of neutrons。OK， 因為佢哋有 different number of neutrons， 所以 mass number 就會唔同啦。OK， 所以都好直接簡單嘅呢條翻譯。OK，C part。Fluorine 19 is the only isotope of fluorine， 即係佢得呢隻 isotope 啫。Describe the structure of fluorine atom. Your answer should include the type and the number of subatomic particles present in an atom, and the location and the charge of each type of these subatomic particles。好，咁即係話基本上你要就住 C part 啦，寫少少 note 先，即係你要就住 fluorine 19呢個 atom 咧，去講3樣嘢，要講下佢哋嗰啲嗱，呢個 note 嚟嘅，唔係答案。subatomic particles 嘅 type 啦、number 啦、location 啦，甚至 charge 都要講埋啦。OK， 4樣嘢。好啦，咁我哋點寫呢？ How do we write it? So the answer should be A. Fluorine 19 atom has 9 protons 係嘛？識啦。9 electrons 10 neutrons 啦，3個atomic particles 都講晒啦，講咗個數量咯喎，你亦都講咗個 types 咯喎。OK， 咁都要講咗個 number 啦，咁你要講下個 type 或者 charges 啦，其他嘅嘢都要講啦。咁我哋試下啦噃。The protons are positively charged and electrons are negatively charged. Whereas neutrons are neutral， 即係冇 charge 啦 ，without charges. Okay, so we've talked about the charge and protons and neutrons are concentrated 喺邊度啊 ？location concentrated in the nucleus of the atom. The electrons are moving in electron shells. Where is it? Surrounding the nucleus of the atom. What speed? At a very high speed. Okay, so you have talked about the type of the subparticles, and then you talked about the number 9, 10, and then you talked about the charge of those subatomic particles, and lastly you talked about the location, right? Moving in electron shells surrounding the nucleus at very high speed， 得唔得？嗱，咁所以呢，佢需要嘅微粒子嘅資料呢，我哋都俾足啦，包括個種類啦，綠色所講種類啦，3個種類，個 number 黃色啦 highlight 咗講咗啦，個位置 location 橙色啦，甚至個 charge 藍色我哋都講晒啦。咁樣寫呢，就應該可以攞足晒滿分 full marks 啦。All right, so that's it for this exercise, for these questions. Thank you.